Walaan mong ngalan sa kabaskog sa lawas o panalipod patok sa tanang katalagman. Panangini usab sila nga nagdumala niini sila nga tagtiya imuhang gipialan sa imuhang grasya. Ginoo bali sila kanunay sa matag adlaw silang kinabuhi sila magpaningkamot pagtuman sa imong kabuton ug himot kanimo sa ilang pagpangalagad ngadto sa imong katawhan. Ibubo kanila Ginoo ang grasya nga gikinahanglan sa matag adlaw, ang kalinaw o kahiusa sila unahuna o kasing-kasing aron magsalamin sila sa muratong gugma o kayo ngadto sa uban ng mga tawo ang ilang ikahibalag matag adlaw.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. The crowd guests from our media, social media guests, influencers, especially from COMTC, our suppliers, Father, the influence Father for visiting our store. This is a new format, a new innovations that we offer to the market. The Taurus, a newly renovated, reformatted store, which is geared towards a better experience for our clients, customers. And in order to have a little bit better experience, we conceptualized a mix of cafe, so that while shopping, maybe a companion, his or her companion, to be able to enjoy our quality coffee, which is from Taurus Cafe. Now Taurus, this is our fifth year. So we were established, like we started like 2021. So that was the height pa of COVID. So kumbaga, COVID ko na siya ng time. It was the start where the opening of the market started opening. During that opening, I still remember 2021, we were still in the hospital pa ang time because my wife was affected by COVID. Ito kami sa hospital ang time when it was open. It was May 2021. But we made the grand opening after na on June 2021. That's why we are currently celebrating our 5th year anniversary sa Taurus Taurus Prime. We also have our Taurus Apparel Day as our specialty apparels for Taurus. Then later on, we expanded to actually 5 branches na rin. So 5 branches in 5 years. But unfortunately, our contract with the capital was not renewed because the owner would like to use the property now. So we don't have any, wala kami mabuhat, so that's why 4 na lang siya. But we are looking forward to establishing the capital branch maybe within this year, so that we can still have the 5 stores, 5 branches in 5 years. So with this innovation, we have our Taurus Cafe. Because in our 5th year, we are trying to build not just for a Taurus helmets, motorcycle gears, but we are trying to innovate through a Taurus lifestyle concept. So maybe a Taurus Cafe, and here maybe another concept, like we are planning to have a Taurus barber shop. So to complete the Taurus lifestyle experience. Hello? And so, moving forward, with our 5th year, we hope to have another 5 years and maybe another branch coming. Maybe we can move forward, like establish another branch nearby, like in provinces and cities, like in Bohol and in Western Visayas. Yeah, maybe. That's our plan. And for Taurus Cafe, we are planning to have a standalone concept if opportunity comes. So we're looking forward to that. Maybe next year, maybe this year, maybe next year. So I hope you will continue to support us with our partners like Tech Fuel, because we are having a promo now with Taurus in partnership with Tech Fuel. So every time you purchase here like 4,000 worth, then you will get a 2-liter free stop from Tech Fuel. So that's our partner. It will stabilize people soon. So, for our first, we are offering this also to the first 15 customers today, regardless of
they both cater, they bring people together. So since like for example kana mga rides, riding community, naman tayo mga different riding communities here in Cebu. So kung ma-observe nimo, grupo-grupo yun na sila magkita together. So same as the coffee industry. Nasa tayo mga inana na instant na yung mga meetings, mga group together. So, same mo complement each other. So, it makes sense na among incorporate ang cafe sa among retail shop. So, muna among i-convert among retail shop into a lifestyle shop. Yes.
Yeah, in addition, actually, the concept stems back from our observation ba na every time na our customers comes here, usually they're couple, either boyfriends or married couple. So, dala-dala gid nila ilaha mga girlfriend, usually boys man among padre. So, we realize ba na instead of the companion will just wait and do nothing, so we come up in mind that why don't we have a cafe that the companion will be able to just sit down and maybe drink any cold or hot drink she likes, or we also offer pastries. So with that idea alone, that comes from the concept of the Taurus Cafe and Taurus Prime together. So this is actually the very first time, the very first store that exists in Cebu right now.
I'd like to give you a very nice answer to the question. Very long answer, But in reality, we would like to create an ecosystem of riding population and community where they can have a place to meet, greet, and enjoy.
Thank you.
Padulong na siya sa